Well, well, well. For those of you that remember, the Digitex is a sham video that I did, which I took down, I believe the next day, because I didn't feel like dealing with the incoming waves of all the Digitex nerds being angry and making threats and whatnot. What did I say in that video? I said many things. One of the things was that Shittertex certainly probably wasn't going to be lifted off the ground. They're not going to have no exchange by the end of the month. Everyone was giving me crap for it. Well, what do you know? Now we have Adam Todd sitting here explaining that there is a delay with couldn't your $50,000, Mr. Adam Todd, wasn't your $50,000 enough money? That's what you're telling everyone. You think you can have books without charging fees, making not even $50,000 every month, every other month selling your token. That this guy, man.
And we'll really just show you a couple of a few of the problems with it. And
After I have a few drinks here, I'm going to take a look at a couple problems we're having here.
well, we'll take it from there. Right, so here we are on the main page. You've got the Bitcoin, USD.
Boy, this is the main page. Looks like garbage. The main
market
page.
We're going to launch with. You got the graph here on the left, the ladder on the right. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is we don't have a volume figure.
This is
The last traded price. We got your position. I'll address the position thing later. The last traded volume. We don't have a 24-hour volume figure, so obviously we need a 24-hour volume figure. It's a very important.
Can you do it?
For assessing the sentiment. It's also a very important figure for.
Can you do it?
The exchange on there gets ranked by its volume. We don't have a volume figure. We can't get a volume figure out.
We can't get a volume figure. I have these developers, and they're these back Indians. I only have $50,000.
I'm like, fuck you talking about? We don't have a volume figure. We need a volume figure because we just need a volume figure. We don't have one. We can't get one.
We can't get a volume figure. Do you guys realize what he's saying here? What he's saying. We can't get a volume figure. We can't get one. There is nothing. First off, I have heard developers say we can't do that before, and every single time, when you're a developer and a coder, everything is possible. Anything is possible. So what's happening is he is working with someone who and they're just doing this half-assed. You know what? They're doing it for the money. They're taking his money, his little, we could sell 10 million Digitex tokens. The way Digitex makes money is that we sell Digitex tokens on the market.
All right, so.
And 10 million tokens at 5 cents. It was 5 million tokens at 10 cents is only $50,000.
I mean, that's not a deal killer in itself. They can get it for us. It's going to be another 2 months after launch.
So apparently, their developers cannot have a little number saying, this is how much volume we are doing. Until 2 months after.
get that. You know, okay, it's not ideal by any means, but that's not a deal killer.
Not being able to know the volume is not a deal killer, huh? You know, maybe I don't use volume indicator on every trade, but the fact that your developers are telling you they can't do it, the deal's already been broken with me for Digitex. I tried to warn everyone. I started getting attacked. I said, you know what? Forget it. But I'm back.
Next thing is, so this is the Bitcoin USD futures market that I'm looking at right here. So you can see, you know, here's the bids, here's the offer. So this is the futures price of Bitcoin USD. So
I imagine he's doing that a lot.
Spot price on this interface. Now, the original specs, the spot price was supposed to be up here on the ladder.
50 grand.
top
This
of the
guy
ladder.
thinks
You know, you need to
all of my trades are over 50 grand. I just want to remind everybody. This guy thinks that I could run the books 50 grand. This guy thinks he can run this platform with everything. And that's, by the way, speculating that Digitex, the price. Why are you selling your tokens? Everyone's selling their tokens. BITUNIX bought a bunch of tokens. They've been buying tokens and now they're dumping like CryptoFace said was going to happen. BITUNIX. BITUNIX is the least of your problems, bud.
to see the spot price of the, you know, you need to see the price of the underlying instrument that you're trading futures on. Spot where I come
Hope
back, we
it's
can't
loud
put
enough.
that number in this box here. It's not possible. I'm like, the fuck are you talking about? It's not possible. It's a number in a box. Just put it in.
Okay, he's getting okay. Well, all right, let's rewatch this. So this is how. All right, so his developers told him they can't put a number in a box. Let's see what he says.
It's not possible. I'm like, the fuck are you talking about? It's not possible. It's a number in a box. Just put it in there because it's a critical element of the interface. You know, it's not an optional feature. You know, it's not a new feature. It's you know, we need a spot price. Can't do it.
Okay, so how's he gonna respond?
So, as a workaround, you can't put it there. You go over to the menu over here. You can have this menu open. Under here, you can see the Bitcoin USD price. Here, we've got a bid and an ask.
We gotta have the price. You click under watch lists. You can go to watch lists in some random menu place. Can we put it there?
So that it's not tradable, and it doesn't have a bidder and an ask. So I'm like, well, can we just have the, you know, the 24-hour change and just the price? No, we can't do that. It has.
I will say his office is upgraded here. He's got a nice little shirt and a little lamp from the Brave Little Toaster. He's got a Brave Little Toaster lamp.
To be the bid and ask, because we can't change that. So it's a spot price with a bid and ask, and the bid and ask is the same. So you know, it's just a bit screwy, but all right then. You know, it's not a deal killer.
It's a bit screwy. It's a bit screwy. It's not a deal killer. Nice watch. I got a nice watch. Oh fuck. I've been in this. I got a chicken gizzard.
Launch something. It's not ideal. This interface is getting a little screwy now, but all right, whatever. You can trade the futures over here.
Bottom line is, guys, I know I deleted the video. A lot of people asked me why. Told you I was getting attacked, and I didn't feel like dealing with it. I have other things to deal with. I don't feel like dealing with nerds and comments and dweebs attacking at me and having to defend myself and yada, yada, yada. I got other shit going on, so will I delete this video? I don't know, maybe. But I'm going to upload this. It's going to be on the air for a little while. We'll see, but we told you the exchange was going to be backed up. Bybit and other exchanges are able to get things done. Their liquidity's already bigger than BITUNIX. But all right, I don't think I'm able to do this voice anymore. It's starting to hurt my throat. But ShitterTex told you so. They don't have the money. The foundation, the way their businesses run, is flawed. They're claiming that there are going to be no fees. Guess what? You're not going to be able to make any money. You can charge fees, just not crazy fees. Now, BITUNIX, their fees are absolutely ridiculous. They're secret fees. But for example, like an exchange like Bybit, you barely even notice the fees, and they're making plenty of money to run the operation. So your developers suck. You suck. You got some little shit Indian developer running you about, Adam Todd. So that's how all the Digitex people are feeling. Sorry if you put a bunch of money into it. I know there's people that went really heavy into the Digitex token. Tisk, 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 tisk. Adam Todd.